Tuberculosis, it is a chronic pulmonary and systemic disease. A chronic pulmonary and systemic disease. Tuberculosis is a chronic pulmonary and systemic disease. Causative agent Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is an acid-fast bacteria. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is an acid-fast bacteria. Route of transmission person to person. Route of transmission of tuberculosis person to person. Risk factors poverty, crowding, chronic debilitating illness. Risk factors poverty, crowding, chronic debilitating illness. Poverty, crowding, chronic debilitating illness. Predisposing conditions diabetes mellitus, Hodgkin lymphoma. Chronic lung disease like silicosis, chronic renal failure, malnutrition, alcoholism, immunosuppression, that is AIDS. Predisposing factors, predisposing conditions are diabetes mellitus, chronic renal failure, chronic lung disease like silicosis, Hodgkin lymphoma, immunosuppression, malnutrition and alcoholism. Diabetes mellitus, alcoholism, Hodgkin lymphoma, chronic lung disease, silicosis, chronic renal failure, malnutrition, immunosuppression, example AIDS. Pathogenesis. Bacteria enter macrophages by phagocytosis. The bacteria enter macrophages by phagocytosis. Bacteria inhibits maturation of the phagosomes. Bacteria inhibit the maturation of phagosome and block formation of phagolysosome. Bacteria will inhibit the maturation of phagosome and block the formation of phagolysosome, allowing their replication within the macrophages. ठीक है, तो phagosome के maturation को stop कर देंगे, phagolysosome को बनने नहीं देंगे, जिसके कारण जो बैक्टीरिया है वो macrophages में replicate करेंगे. Th1 response is initiated with the production of interferon gamma. Interferon gamma के कारण Th1 response is initiated. Interferon gamma के कारण Th1 response is initiated. Interferon gamma causes macrophage activation, killing of bacteria by facilitating phagolysosome maturation, production of NO and autophagy. ये जो interferon gamma है ये TH1 response को initiate करता है. It causes macrophage activation, killing of bacteria by facilitating phagolysosome maturation, production of NO and autophagy. Interferon gamma, it causes macrophage activation, killing of the bacteria by facilitating phagolysosome maturation, production of NO and autophagy. Interferon gamma के प्रोडक्शन के कारण Th1 responses initiated, मैक्रोफेज एक्टिवेट होता है, phagolysosome फॉर्मेशन होता है, phagolysosome का मैचुरेशन होता है, जिसके कारण बैक्टीरिया विल बी किल्ड, NO is produced and it causes autophagy. Interferon gamma causes macrophage activation. It facilitates macrophage activation, phagolysosome maturation, production of NO and autophagy. Types of tuberculosis. Primary tuberculosis. Previously unexposed and unsensitized person. Primary tuberculosis का host क्या है? Previously unsensitized और unexposed person. Previously unexposed or unsensitized person. Source exogenous. Site lungs, lower part of the upper lobe and upper part of the lower lobe. Site of primary tuberculosis, lungs, lower part of the upper lobe and upper part of the lower lobe. Morphology, gross morphology में we have gone focus and gone complex, fibrosis with radiologically detectable calcification. Gross of primary tuberculosis, gone focus, 1 to 1.5 centimeter grey white lesion with cheesy white appearing center. Gone focus is 1 to 1.5 centimeter grey white lesion with cheesy white appearing center. Gone complexes, gone focus along with adenopathy, lymphadenopathy. Gone focus plus lymphadenopathy is gone complex. Then fibrosis with radiologically detectable calcification. Morphology of primary tuberculosis: gone focus, which has a cheesy white appearing center; gone complex, which is gone focus plus lymphadenopathy; fibrosis with radiologically detectable calcification. Microscopy: granulomatous inflammatory reaction with scissating non-scissating tubercles. Microscopy shows granulomatous inflammatory reaction with caseating and non-caseating tubercles. Granulomatous inflammatory response with caseating and non-caseating tubercles. Clinical presentation: asymptomatic, most common. Progressive form: acute bacterial pneumonia with consolidation of lobe, hilar adenopathy and pleural effusion. Okay, progressive form: acute bacterial pneumonia with consolidation of the lobe, hilar adenopathy and pleural effusion. Progressive form includes acute bacterial pneumonia with consolidation of the lobe, acute bacterial pneumonia with consolidation of the lobe, hilar adenopathy and pleural effusion. Acute bacterial effusion, acute bacterial pneumonia, consolidation of the lobe, hilar lymph adenopathy and pleural effusion. Tuberculous meningitis and miliary TB with lymphomatogenous dissemination. Tuberculous meningitis or miliary TB can be there because of lymphomatogenous dissemination. Tuberculous meningitis and miliary TB can be there because of lymphomatogenous dissemination. Faith healed lesions can be there: healed lesion, latent lesion or progressive primary TB. Healed lesions where the organisms are not viable, latent lesion where organisms are dormant, progressive primary TB which progresses to miliary TB. The fate of primary TB can be healed lesion, latent lesion, progressive primary TB. Healed lesion में the organisms are not viable, latent lesions में the organisms are in dormant state, progressive primary TB will progress to miliary TB. Secondary tuberculosis: host, previously sensitized host, many years after primary tuberculosis with weakening of the host resistance. Host of secondary tuberculosis: previously sensitized host, many years after primary tuberculosis with weakening of the host resistance. Secondary tuberculosis is many years after the primary TB with weakening of the host resistance. Source: reactivation of the latent infection or a exogenous reinfection. Reactivation of the latent lesion में latent infection में the organisms were in a dormant state, yeah, it can be due to a reinfection. Secondary TB can be due to reactivation of the latent infection or because of a exogenous infection. Source: apex of the upper lobe. Okay. Secondary TB site: apex of the upper lobe. Primary TB का site था लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द अपर लोब एंड अपर पार्ट ऑफ द लोअर लोब, और सेकेंडरी टीबी का साइट है एपेक्स ऑफ द अपर लोब. मॉर्फोलॉजी: ग्रॉस मॉर्फोलॉजी: स्मॉल सर्कमस्क्राइब्ड फॉर्म, ग्रे वाइट टू येलो एपिकल फोकाई विथ सेंट्रल चीजी वाइट अपीयरेंस. स्मॉल circumscribed form, grey white to yellow apical foci with central cheesy white appearance. Morphology of secondary TB: small circumscribed form, formed, grey white to yellow apical foci with central cheesy white appearance. Small circumscribed form, grey white to yellow apical foci with central cheesy white appearance. Cavitation or erosion into the airways is associated. Cavitation or erosions into the airways is associated. Gross morphology: small circumscribed form, grey white to yellow apical foci with central cheesy white appearance. Small circumscribed form, grey white to yellow apical foci with central cheesy white appearance. Cavitation or erosion into the airways is associated. Cavitation or erosion into the airways is associated. Microscopic granulomatous inflammatory reaction with cageating or non-cageating tubercles. The microscopy will be same in primary and secondary, that is granulomatous inflammatory reaction with cageating and non-cageating tubercles. Clinical presentation asymptomatic. Systemic manifestations like anorexia, weight loss, fever, which is low grade fever, and night sweats. Anorexia, weight loss, low grade fever, and night sweats. Mucoid and purulent sputum and hemoptysis. Mucoid or purulent sputum and hemoptysis and pleuritic pain. Clinical presentation asymptomatic. Systemic manifestations like anorexia, weight loss, low grade fever, and night sweats. Mucoid or purulent sputum or hemoptysis and pleuritic pain. Faith. Fibrocalcific scars in immunocompetent person. Fibrocalcific scars in immunocompetent persons and progressive secondary TB which can progress to miliary TB. Fibrocalcific scars in immunocompetent person and progressive secondary TB which may progress to miliary TB. Other forms of TB is miliary TB, miliary pulmonary TB, miliary pulmonary TB. Bacteria circulate back to the lung via lymphohematogenous dissemination. Miliary pulmonary TB में the bacteria circulate back to the lung via lymphohematogenous dissemination. Small foci of yellow-white consolidations are scattered through the lung parenchyma. Small foci of yellow-white consolidations are scattered through the lung parenchyma. Systemic miliary TB. Bacteria disseminate through systemic arterial system with the involvement of organs such as liver, spleen, adrenals or meninges. Primary miliary pulmonary TB में bacteria circulate back to the lung via lymphohematogenous dissemination. Systemic miliary TB में bacteria disseminate through the systemic arterial system. Bacteria disseminate through the systemic arterial system with the involvement of various organs such as liver, spleen, adrenal or meninges. Investigations for TB: biopsy, cytology, X-ray. Biopsy, cytology, X-ray, acid fast stain, culture of the sputum, Montauk's or tuberculin skin test, polymerase chain reaction. Investigation: biopsy, cytology, acid fast stain, X-ray, culture of the sputum, Montauk's or tuberculin skin test and polymerase chain reaction.